The trouble for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal intensifies. On June 26, the Aam Aadmi Party leader was arrested by the Central Bureau of Investigation from inside Delhi's Roos Avenue court. This arrest linked to the alleged irregularities in the Delhi excise policy of 2021. The CBI has now requested 5 days of custody for further investigation. The move follows Kejriwal's examination by the CBI in Tihar jail on June 25, where his statement was recorded in connection with the excise policy case. Shortly after his arrest, Kejriwal's wife Sunita Kejriwal alleged that the system is working to ensure her husband remains in jail. In a post on X, she described the situation as a dictatorship and emergency. The controversy stems from the Delhi excise policy of 2021 introduced by Kejriwal's government to modernize alcohol sale. However, the policy was criticized from potential financial and public health impact. In July 2022, Chief Secretary Naresh Kumar reported policy violation to Lieutenant Governor Vinay Kumar Saxena, leading to a CBI probe. The reported alleged financial losses of over rupees 580 crore to the exchequer. The CBI's investigation focuses on irregularities in the policy's formulation and execution, including undue favors to licenses and unapproved licenses extensions. Meanwhile, the Enforcement Directorate's case against Kejriwal revolves around the alleged money laundering linked to the policy. The ED claims that the policy was designed with loopholes that promoted cartels formation, benefiting Aam Aadmi Party leaders through kickbacks. The CBI case aims to prove corruption and bribery by public officials, while the ED case traces the money trail, accusing Kejriwal's and Aam Aadmi Party of receiving funds via Hawala channels. In May, the ED named Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party in a supplementary charge sheet, presenting evidence of money transfer and communication with Hawala operators. During the court proceeding, Kejriwal rebutted the agency's claim that the court has currently granted a 3-day custody for the CBI. As the investigation progresses, the political and legal battle for Delhi's chief minister continues, with both the CBI and ED deepening their probes into the excise policy case.